Today we'll look at how to write out a Nastran deck maintaining assembly component hierarchy with include files. Here we have an assembly FEM which has several components as well as some universal connections for making bolt connections. Here you can see the RBE2 spiders. Instead of just writing out the deck, if we go to Edit Advanced Solver Options and go to Export Options, we'll see there's an option under Output File to select an output file structure to retain part hierarchy with include files. We also have an option for material data output to be compacted, which I also recommend. Here we'll go ahead and solve, but only write out the solver input file. And let's take a look at what we get. So here we get a DAT file which has an include file to an assembly FEM A bulk file, which we'll take a look at next. It also has our constraints and our loads and coordinate systems. So next, let's take a look at our assembly A bulk file. And here you can see it has include files to our 4 brackets, our FADEC, and our fan case. It also has the universal connections for our bolt connections with our RBE spiders. And it also has the materials for all of our component include files. Here you can see we have a material ID of 8 for our titanium and 10 for our Inconel. Next, if we go to our bracket include file, bulk data file, you can see the nodes and elements for one of the brackets. And in the P shell here, you'll notice that it references material ID 10. So that consolidates the materials for all of those brackets, which have the same material. And here we can see in our fan case bulk data file its nodes and elements. And its P-solid is referencing material ID 8. So that is how to write out a Nastran deck maintaining assembly component hierarchy with include files.